Meet Frank. Frank is worried. His company is preparing to launch a unique product that provides a new treatment option for patients. Frank needs to develop specialized content to reach healthcare providers globally. He needs a strategy for the clinical and commercial teams. Each department needs communication tools like slide kits, scientific posters, sales aids, exhibitor booths, and customized meeting planning. How will it all get done? Frank also knows that he can't just dump all this stuff on the market. The message won't connect. He needs an innovative approach, a solution that spans every channel and incorporates identification and continued engagement of key stakeholders. Frank only needs to make one call to innovative BioPharma, a global leader in medical communications. Frank can unload all his worries because IBP will integrate with his teams to provide strategic guidance and tactical support. Frank is happy. He realized that the key to delivering seamless world-class programs and educational materials is having a skilled partner no matter what stage of the product lifecycle he's focused on. What sets IBP apart is our ability to build relationships and provide targeted insights while adjusting to the evolving needs of the market. Our team excels at establishing connections with scientific leaders and institutions around the world. Relationships with these influencers enable us to create customized campaigns that deliver strong ROI. Do you need help developing content that connects and converts? Don't just dump materials on the market. Partner with IBP. Is your approach innovative? It's in our name.